The reason why it's essential that foundational supplements be consumed every day is that foundational supplements tap into what are called slow integrative systems of our biology. And that's basically fancy nerd speak for the aspects of our brain and body that operate over long time scales. A very important factor when thinking about supplementation is just as we need to think about high quality food when we think about our food intake, we need to think about high quality nutrients and micronutrients when we talk about foundational supplementation. High quality ingredients means high bioavailability of those nutrients. It means nutrients that our body can actually absorb. So for instance, when we take a foundational supplement that improves our microbiome, it doesn't do that over the course of minutes or hours. It might start to do that immediately, but the process continues not just for several hours, but actually several days. So foundational supplementation is really about providing support to your gut microbiome and the other biological systems of your brain and body that operate over these longer time scales. And really, those are the ones that most powerfully impact our mental health, physical health, and performance. So much so that we can make a direct comparison between foundational supplementation and things like exercise or viewing sunlight. The reason why we need to do those over and over again and not just once a week or once a month or once a year is that every time we view sunlight, we send a signal to our brain and body that's added to a cumulative set of signals that reinforce our sleep-wake rhythm, as well as our mood and our level of alertness. Every time we exercise, we also send a cumulative signal to our brain and body that, for instance, keeps our blood pressure low or lowers it further, that enhances our cardiovascular function overall, that enhances cerebrovascular function, that improves our immune system. So while there are acute, meaning immediate effects of supporting our gut microbiome and of exercise and viewing sunlight, the major effects of foundational supplementation, the major effects of viewing sunlight and exercise and so on, are really to support the systems of our body that add and layer on top of one another to create a cumulative and synergistic effect so that 2 weeks later, a month later, and indeed several years and decades later, we continue to feel better and better by engaging in these activities and foundational supplementation every day.